Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Palo Alto Firewall, the VM series. You can get a trial version of the VM OVA from Palo Alto. So if you download that file and then start with whatever virtual environment you have, in my case, I've got VMware Workstation. So if I say open that file, I've already opened the file, so it takes me to the file location. So if I select that file, the Palo Alto VM, it's for ESX, that means the VMware 12 version, but at the time of this recording, this is the latest I've got. So if I open that file, it asks me the name of the firewall. So I will call it Palo Alto Firewall 1. This is a lab just to test the features of this PanOS. And then I'm going to change the file location. The file location, it defaults to where the settings was, but I'm going to change it to a specific place I want to install that file. Then if I say next, this is a nice way of actually giving you an option to change these things before you deploy. So let's say the PAVM, that's the default name. We're going to change it to PAFW1. And this one, the management IP, it is a DHCP client. So I want to give it a static IP rather. So I would say static. You can do these things from the command line. Then if it's static, I'm going to give an IP address. So my broadband, this is connected to, it is using 192.168.1/24. So I'll pick one IP from there. Let's say I pick 180. And then the subnet mask is /24. So I will use 255.255.255. Then the default gateway is going to be my broadband wireless router. So I will put the IP address, that's my IP. I'm not using IP version 6. The default, so the DNS is also from my broadband, so I will add that. And then secondary one, I can use Google. Then if you want to have panorama configurations, you can do it from here as well. Device registration, if you have the token and the license, also you can do it from here. And any other advanced options you can check, but this is enough. We could actually skip the whole thing and do it from the command line, but we're going to have that easy way of deploying it. Now it starts importing the image from that folder and it will extract. It has settings that are already configured, and the license, the eval, only allows you specific things. So we will wait and then deploy that machine from that image. Okay, so it took about 7 minutes to load and to boot. So when you see the firewall name login, that's actually when you have the machine ready. It goes through other stages. So if we now log into the GUI, I have this window here. That's the IP we gave, the management IP. So if we log in and then continue to the interface, and so if you log in as admin, the password the first time is admin as well. So it asks you to change the password. We provide the previous one, which is just admin, the default, and then we put a new one. And then we change that password. Now we log in with the username admin. So if we log in, now it takes us to the dashboard. Okay, so a quite nice welcome with some information. You can go through these details. It updates you quite a number of things. So if we close this and let's say, okay, that's fine. You can change those widgets. We will talk about this in another video. We'll configure the device configuration, the network, objects, the policies, all these settings. This is the firewall GUI or web UI, where we can do a lot of configurations, but we can also do the previous settings we have done from the command line. So thank you for your time. I'll see you in another video.